Remember, the top story this morning comes in from Russia. This is, remember, at a time when precisely with this big news that is coming in, it's a big honor coming in for Prime Minister Modi in Russia. Prime Minister Modi will be conferred with Russia's highest state decoration. It's the Order of St. Andrews. This was announced in 2019 and will now be conferred to him. But this is important, remember, coming in from a different country and as the highest honor that has come in. But it's also the symbolism here, the symbolism of the sort of friendship and connect that India and Australia have felt. This is Russia's highest state decoration, our Order of St. Andrew. Basically, this is for exceptional services in promoting special and privileged strategic partnership between the two countries. This is called the Order of St. Andrew, the Apostle the First called. It's considered to be the highest order for Russian Federation. And this is, in fact, centuries old. It was established in 1698. The honor was the first and highest order of the chivalry in the Russian Empire. And now, during the Soviet rule, the award was abolished. It was reinstated in 1998 and comes in for Prime Minister Narendra Modi. All right, Gaurav Sawant is joining me for the latest on that. Gaurav, this is quite incredible, but why do you think this has come in for Prime Minister Modi specifically? Because this is Russia's highest civilian honor. What is the reason here?
So, Russia, this shows the importance of India-Russia relations. Of course, the Order of St. Andrew was announced in 2019. It will be conferred on Prime Minister Narendra Modi in a couple of hours from now. And this actually goes on to show the importance that Russia attaches to its relationship with India and to, Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The chemistry between India's Prime Minister and the Russian President was there for all to see. The warmth with which the Russian President greeted the Indian Prime Minister as he entered his dacha, the warm hug, the embrace, the long conversation, the talk about Russian hospitality and Russian culture, Russian traditions, the presidential estate, in his electric car, the Russian President took Prime Minister Narendra Modi around trying to explain what Russia means, to the Russian president and the Russia that he wants to convey and the close relationship that he seeks with India. So this highest honor being conferred on Prime Minister Narendra Modi is the respect that is being accorded to India, and as Prime Minister Narendra Modi in the past has put it, to people of India, because Prime Minister has been awarded top honors of several countries, including in West Asia, the Middle East and several other parts of the world. This, of course, is yet another, top honor for the Prime Minister and for India.
Stay on with me, Gaurav, because then you rightly pointed out this is as much for Prime Minister Modi, but it's also a reflection for acknowledging the people of India and how that cultural friendship, political friendship has also been